Hello everyone, Coach Carol with another essential habit for genealogists. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I want to show you how you can create some imagery to place into a Facebook post or into your blog using a product called Canva. Now you can use this free of charge, or you can buy the Pro version. I'm going to show you how I work behind the scenes in creating some of the things that I do for my family history blogs and for this series. I will now share my screen with you and take you over to Canva. You get to Canva by going to canva.com. I've already logged in and you'll see that it's welcoming me here. And there's several things you can do at the start. You can have a look at what is offered by Canva, and some of them are really cool. If you're looking for a Zoom virtual background, they've got templates for that. If you're looking for an Instagram post, they've got templates for that. And you can create any of these from scratch. There's more to be seen in the tabs at the top. If we go to social media and we want to do a Facebook post, which automatically has the right size for pasting into your Facebook group or page, you would click onto that and it would give you the template or a variety of templates that you could use. And here you could simply click on one to add to your canvas. So it's pretty simple. What we can do though is to work on some imagery for your family histories, perhaps pictures of your ancestors or memorabilia, collections of things that you want to share with others on your Facebook post. And rather than putting series of images into the post, you can create a collage like this one from Canva called the Brown Plain Collage Facebook group post. If you want to use that one, then you can click on Use this image. There are more examples to be seen below that, and you can make your choice from there. I did choose the brown collage to start with, and this is what one of them looks like at the beginning, where you automatically have somewhere to place some text and places for images. So I've made a start on this one for family legends for one of my ancestors. So I've changed the text in the middle and I've added a photo of him and something from Ancestry. So I'm ready now to place another image into this collage. So what I need to do now is to go over to my image folder that you can see on the left and pick something that we can put in place. So I'll pick this image of the family tree. So when it comes across, it automatically pops into the middle of this thing that you're creating, and you'll simply grab it and move it down to this point, and it automatically fits itself into the square that you've chosen. If you're wanting to put other photos in place, you would get rid of the one that they've put there, just delete it, and then upload media. And you can do that by going to your device or somewhere on Facebook or wherever you've got photos stored. So here in my collection of photos, I have others that I want to add, and we'll put this image in place. And it comes into your collection of uploaded media. When it's finished loading, as you can see here with this little blue bar, it's ready to put in place. Click it, and then once again, drag it into place. It gives you a nice little collage then that you can save. Here's another one that I did with a slightly different organization of photos, again from the brown collage collection. This one had 9 image places. So I first of all duplicated this one so that I could work on it. And if I made mistakes, I knew that I already had that one to go back to. So I have now put in place a series of pictures about another ancestor who was one of the Imperial Volunteers. I've just finished writing a story about him, so I can now use that image in my blog post and in my Facebook posts about that blog. Canva is a wonderful tool. When you're ready to use the images that you've created, you will now go to download. It selects PNG, but I nearly always choose JPEGs as it's a smaller file size. There are a couple of pages in this folder, so I must make sure that I choose the right page to download, which is page 2, which you can see here. We're done. And then download. And it automatically downloads that image and asks you where to put it. So it's gone immediately to my Charles Cutting folder, and I will save it by clicking save and turning that off. So I can now use that image in my Facebook posts. I'll be back later with more of these tips on how you can use Canva and other ways of illustrating your blog posts. Falling over my words today. So I hope you've enjoyed this little walkthrough on using Canva. It is a great tool, and I do recommend it for you. Go to canva.com. Now I'm putting these tips all together in one of the pages on my blog site at coachcarolonline.com. Go there if you want to see more. I'll be back soon with more tips for essential habits for genealogists.